Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video I am going to be showing you 3 glam high-end DIYs using mirror mosaic tiles, diamond rhinestones, glitter. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned, but don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications. Let's get to crafting. Now I'm going to be taking this wine bottle. I've already removed my labels from it. I'm going to be taking these 2 Dollar Tree champagne shoots. We're going to be using Celine ultrafine glitter from Walmart. We're going to also be using Mod Podge, our paintbrush. I'm using Total Dazzle gems, Total Dazzle brooches, that is, everyone. We're going to be using that diamond rhinestone epoxy sheet. We're also using the crushed diamond epoxy sheet as well, and that mirror mosaic tile. Now if you're watching, please make sure you subscribe. Now first of all, we're going to take our Mod Podge and we're going to cover our champagne shoot. You make sure you always shake your Mod Podge very well, and always use you some type of container or paper so that you can save your Mod Podge to pour it right back into your container. Guys, when using glitter, for me, I like direct pour. You know, you can mix your glitter in your glue and it works just as well, but I like direct pouring. To me, it gives it a more fuller and even coverage. Now this is what it looks like with that first coat of glitter on it. And actually I coated it twice, so this is my seal. So I'm going to seal the glitter to prevent glitter fallout. You guys, I will have an iCard and also down in the description box a video on how to prevent glitter fallout. If you do glitter products, please make sure you check out that video. Now we're getting ready to dazzle this piece up, and I'm just cleaning the glitter out of the inside. I'm starting with that opening, layering in my mirror tile. Please, if you're using mirror mosaic tile, if you haven't used it a lot, just be careful. I have handled it a lot, and even with handling it a lot, you guys, sometimes I get a lot of shards of glass in my finger, so be careful when you're using anything glass. We're going to go ahead and add our diamond rhinestone, and I'm just going to layer that around and also on the center portion of that mirror as well. And we're going to take this same diamond rhinestone and wrap it around the stem portion of this vase. But this is what it's looking like. You guys follow me along. And to everyone, drop me a comment if this is a DIY that you will try. Also, leave me a comment as well if you have an idea that you would like to see me try here on the Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're watching and you still haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell twice. It'll turn blue, and then you'll know every time that I do upload. Now you may be asking yourself, what will I get by becoming part of the Glam Queen of DIY family? You're going to get a lot of glam high-end DIYs. I love to feature mirrored mosaic tile, diamond rhinestone, epoxy crushed glass. You get also a few budget renovations. If that sounds interesting, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share the channel with your family and friends. And this is what it looks like, everyone, once I finish wrapping the stem with that diamond rhinestone epoxy sheet. This is looking gorgeous, and we're going to just add all of our diamond rhinestone where I wanted to, so we can almost wrap this DIY up. Now that this is looking gorgeous, you guys, we're going to go ahead and add that Total Dazzle brooch on there. You guys, make sure you check out totaldazzle.com. My link is down in the description box to pick up you some high-end accessories. You will love the quality of their products, but make sure you check them out, and my link is in that description. It doesn't cost you extra to use my link. I'll just receive a small commission if you do. These are my completed champagne shoes, you guys, and this is gorgeous, and this is actually a piece for my sister's home. Hey you guys, I just want to interject this. This is the life of a DIY YouTuber. I dropped this once I finished getting ready to go take my thumbnail and broke it. But this is what we go through sometimes as a YouTuber. So we're gonna have to replicate the piece, but we won't do it in this video, you guys. And before we get into DIY number 3, make sure you subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing. Thanks everyone. Now for DIY number 3, we're taking this wine bottle, and I'm just adding my Mod Podge to the bottle as well, you guys. Excuse me, a little portion of this up at the top was kind of out of frame, but I'm just going to Mod Podge this bottle. Then we're going to add in our glitter. And we're going to get ready and pour on that glitter, you guys, and this is what it's beginning to look like. You guys, this glitter is gorgeous. It's super sparkly. That's one reason why I do like the ultra fine glitter. And this is my wine bottle tray. I'm going to be using the brooch, the mirror mosaic tile, and that crushed diamond epoxy. And this completes DIY number 3. I hope you like what I did create for this wine bottle and these 2 wine glasses. Leave me a comment if this is a DIY you would duplicate. Let me know what was your best thing about this DIY. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know she can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and we thank you for your love and support.